how to filter hotels by price and amenities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to get the best price deals by filtering the hotels through price and amenities? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com. In the homepage, head over to the stays option. Just put in your preferred destination, the dates, and the number of rooms and guests, and then hit search. Now a new page will open up and you'll see all filters option in the top left. Just tap on it, and then here you can see price and amenities option. So you can just tap on it and then it will be filtered according to your choice. So just choose how you want the filter to show you the results and then hit apply. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.